Alright, so I wanted to make a video to show how to download, install, and set up the app on Windows devices. So first you want to log into your client area. And then here on the left hand side, you want to click on Downloads. And here you'll see the different OS or operating systems. Download the Windows one. And once it's downloaded, you can show in folder and unzip it. So to unzip, right click. You will likely find this in your downloads folder. So right click and click on extract all. Extract. And now it's going to be extracted or unzipped. You want to double click and then execute or open either the ShadowSocksR.NET 4.0 or the .NET 2.0 one. They're the same. The only difference is the 2.0 works on XP, Windows XP and 7, and the 4.0 works on Windows 8 and Windows 10. So I'm running Windows 10, so I'll just click on the latest, this one. It'll likely ask you, are you sure? Because it's changing the network interface, so you just want to allow access. Alright. So here in the bottom right corner, this is what we call the tray. You'll see a paper airplane icon. This is the app icon. If you cannot see it, if you don't find it, you can show hidden icons here, and then we'll show all the other icons which will likely include this the app. To open the menu, you want to right click. Don't left click, right click, and you'll see the menu appearing. So this is how you install the app. Now you want to add in the servers. To do so, go back to your client area. It's likely that it's because the VPN is on and we haven't added any servers. Yeah, there you go. Alright. So in case this happens, you want to make sure that you disable the VPN, clicking on Disable System Proxy here in the mode. Because we haven't added the servers in, so it cannot connect to the internet, even though all the internet data is redirected through the VPN. Alright, so now you want to go to your services and click on the one you just bought. And here you'll see all the different servers, but instead of adding them one by one, we can just go to the subscribe link here. And then copy the link. Then go back to your app under server subscribe and subscribe setting. You want to add in the link. Make sure auto update is ticked so you will get all the latest servers automatically downloaded each time you open your computer. Click OK. And now you want to go back to server subscribe and update SSR node, bypass proxy. There you go, success. So now all the servers will be added. If you go to servers, you go to WannaFlix, and you have all the different servers. And this is where you can choose the servers. So for example, I'll choose, because I'm in Asia, I'll just use Yes Netflix Asia Optimized, the first one. And then to connect, make sure that the mode is set to global. And you also want to disable load balance. If you want the app, the VPN, to open automatically, to connect automatically on boot or when you start up your computer, you want to go to Global Settings and click on Start on Boot. And click OK. If you don't, and it's going to ask you, are you sure? And you say yes. If you want to disable this, just do the same thing. Go back to Global Settings and then disable Start on Boot. Click OK. Alright, so that's how you install the app, set it up, and add in the servers and connect to the VPN. To disconnect from the VPN, you want to go back here, right click, and say go to the mode and check disable the system proxy. Alright, thank you and happy surfing!